Okay, I'm Mitch Stowers, and this is the breadboard project. Here we got a breadboard, LED, resistor right here, 9-volt and connector. So, I have the negative side of the battery plugged in, going through the resistor, which I have plugged in to D6 right now. Okay, so I'll do that. I'm going to take this LED, plug it into E6, and over into the positive side. I'm going to plug in the battery. There we go. LED's lighting up. Alright, so now that we know everything works like that, I'm going to keep the resistor in the same exact spot. We're going to take our two TRS connectors. So I'm going to start with the tip first. So I'm going to plug the tip into E6, E6, which will then send the electrons from the battery into the resistor, up into the tip, which then will go through the cord, the patch cable. So then we need this one to receive the electrons. So this one can be plugged in anywhere, so I'm going to plug it into E10. Okay, so now we have it running all the way through the tip. So now I'm going to send it through the ring, so I'm going to put this one at A10. Okay. And now I need the other one to receive it. So I'm going to put this at E15. Okay, cool. So now I'm going to run it back up through the sleeve, just as we did with the ring. So I'm going to put the sleeve into A15. And finally, I need the last port to receive it. So I'm going to put this into E20. So now we're going to take our LED, find the negative side. Actually, you know what? I'm going to move this last sleeve over onto the next section. So I'm going to move it into G20. Because somebody broke something off in F20. So now we're going to find our right side of the LED, plug it in, and plug it into the positive side of the breadboard. Okay, so now we have our complete circuit. Once I plug the battery in, or cable in, I'm going to plug the cable in. Okay, so now the LED should light up. Alright, I don't know if you can see that. Alright, there we go. So this cable works, and it's good to go.